Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Scorpio water sign, and this reading is from May 5th to May 15th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Scorpio, let's see what happened in your connection past. So let's see what happened in your connection past. Ace of Pentacles, Chariot, Seven of Cups. Wow, definitely in past your person gave you long-term commitment. Definitely there is movement and you both are fantasizing each other. Definitely Seven of Cups. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Definitely. So let's see what is going on your connection right now, Scorpio. Three of Swords, Four of Pentacles, Six of Wands. Definitely you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus could be. Definitely one person in this connection is heartbroken right now, and due to one person acting like stubborn, one person giving in this connection more than the other, but at the end of the story there is success. Definitely you both want success in this love. Definitely passion is there. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Scorpio. Wow, Ten of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, yeah, Eight of Pentacles. You or your person could be Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. Lot of earth energy is here. Definitely your person want to offer stability in this connection. Definitely he right now your person may be juggling due to Seven of Cups. Maybe for some it is offer, you have a lot of options. He's juggled between the options, but he choose you. Definitely he will choose you because Ten of Pentacles and Eight of Pentacles, he want to work on this relationship. Definitely it is slow. So let's pull some cards from universe, Scorpio. Judgment, yeah, reconciliation, Knight of Wands, and High Priestess, and the last card, Seven of Wands. Yes, your person don't want to give up on this connection. High Priestess means trust your intuition. Definitely intuition always speaks truth, and your person want to come towards you very fastly. And Judgment, justice has to be served. Reconciliation, definitely your person want to offer stability to this connection and you don't want to give up on this connection. So this is the reading for you, Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.